everything. He broke up with me. Oh my world. Who's that? Who are you? Just come in, just come in. Oh my lord. And how come you look so much like me? Why are you crying? What are you exactly? I told you about Steve. I told you Steve is out to no good. He broke up with me. Are you good now? Are you better now? I've been your head all along telling you to leave that damn guy.
So to get that effect, to go over to Capcut. New project. So we'll be clicking the clips which we'll be using for our clone video. So I'm clicking these two clips right here, this and this one. Then I added it into my new project. So there on, I just want to trim off the excess. The excess is like the part I will not be needing for this tutorial. So I'm just clicking on it, and as you can see, I deleted this first part. I'm just doing some very quick trimmings to remove the parts which I'll not be needing for the video. So still on that, as you can see, I'm still trimming the excesses. So this is the first video I'll be using. Then this is the second one. So what I did is that I just went over to this second video. Then I scroll down to where you see overlay. Then I clicked on overlay. So automatically this video became an overlay. I just carried it and dragged it to where I want this video to start from. As you can see. So I just clicked on this one, then trimmed it to how I would want it to be. So I'm just trying to make this video so fast so that it wouldn't be too bulky. So I went over to this one.
Oh, just leave me alone. He broke up.
So as you can see, I'm just still editing it and trying to make it very seamless. Then straight up, I just went over to Max. Clicked on this, then I clicked on the overlay I added. Then I went to Max. You see the max. Yes, this is max. Then I clicked on max. Then I clicked on horizontal max. Then I just use I can use my hands, but I use this rotate feature here to rotate it to the way I want the video to be. Yeah, so I now also clicked on this feather right here to give it this seamless look so that it wouldn't look too fake, because I'm combining two videos together. So to ensure that seamless look, I had to click on this feathers, this arrow right here, to make it look seamless. So let me show you how it looks like now, guys.
Who's that? Who are you? How come you look so much like me? What are you exactly? Oh, after everything, he broke up with me. Oh my world.
So as you can see the video, I'm just
come in, just come in.
So you can see now these two clips are looking so natural, like you wouldn't even know that okay, I actually merged these two clips. So you can see this is what we call the clone effect. This is what we call the clone effect in CapCut. So guys, I really hope you learned a thing or two from this video. What I didn't say in this video is that one thing you need to do is that you need to trim out the excesses. You can do your adjustments here and there too, in case one video is brighter than the other. Then also you also try to make sure that this line here, you can see my line is still showing, but this line here, you need to make it, give it out more feathers to make it look very seamless, and make sure you edit the both parts to make it look very seamless. So I really hope you guys love this video. Please, if you really love this video and it was helpful for you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I really hope you
Exactly.
stay tuned for more of my videos. Thank you all.
I saw